Motorcycle accidents can be devastating, leading to severe injuries and significant property damage. When these accidents occur, it's essential to determine the cause and establish liability accurately. Motorcycle accident reconstruction plays a crucial role in this process, providing expert analysis that can make a significant impact in legal cases. In this video, we will explore the importance of motorcycle accident reconstruction and how lawyers utilize this expertise to assist accident victims. Motorcycle accidents often result from a combination of factors, including negligent driving, road conditions, and environmental factors. When accidents occur, it can be challenging to determine exactly what happened and who should be held responsible. Motorcycle accident reconstruction is a comprehensive process that aims to recreate the events leading up to the accident, utilizing various techniques and expert analysis to establish liability. Understanding motorcycle accidents. Before delving into the intricacies of motorcycle accident reconstruction, it's crucial to understand the common causes of motorcycle accidents and the injuries that can result from them. Causes of motorcycle accidents. Motorcycle accidents can occur due to several reasons, such as distracted driving. When drivers are distracted by their phones, passengers, or other activities, they may fail to notice motorcyclists on the road. Speeding. Excessive speed reduces the driver's ability to react to sudden changes, making accidents more likely. Lane changes and merging. Drivers failing to check their blind spots or improperly merging into traffic and collide with motorcycles. Unsafe road conditions. Potholes, debris, or inadequate signage can lead to accidents, especially for motorcyclists who are more vulnerable to such hazards. Driving under the influence. Alcohol or drug impairment significantly impairs a driver's judgment, reaction time, and coordination, increasing the risk of accidents. Common injuries in motorcycle accidents. Motorcycle accidents can result in severe injuries due to the lack of protective barriers around the rider. Some common injuries include head injuries. Traumatic brain injuries, TBI, are a significant risk in motorcycle accidents, even with helmet usage. Road rash, abrasions, and skin injuries can occur when a rider slides across the pavement after a collision. Bone fractures. The impact of a motorcycle accident can cause broken bones, including limbs, ribs, and spinal fractures. Internal injuries. The force of a collision can cause damage to internal organs, leading to internal bleeding or organ failure. Spinal cord injuries. Motorcycle accidents can result in spinal cord damage, potentially leading to paralysis or lifelong disabilities. Understanding the causes and injuries involved in motorcycle accidents highlights the importance of expert analysis to accurately reconstruct the events leading to the accident. Motorcycle accident reconstruction process. Motorcycle accident reconstruction involves a meticulous process that aims to gather evidence, analyze data, and recreate the accident scene. Here are the key steps involved. Collecting evidence at the accident scene. After a motorcycle accident, it's crucial to secure the accident scene and gather evidence. This includes documenting skid marks, taking photographs, measuring distances, and collecting any other relevant physical evidence. The accident scene provides critical information that helps reconstruct the events leading to the accident. Analyzing police reports and witness statements. Police reports and witness statements play a vital role in reconstructing motorcycle accidents. They provide valuable information about the sequence of events, the positions of vehicles involved, and the perspectives of witnesses. Lawyers and accident reconstruction experts carefully analyze these reports to gain insights into the accident's dynamics. Utilizing technology for reconstruction. Advancements in technology have significantly enhanced motorcycle accident reconstruction capabilities. Experts utilize computer-aided design, CAD software, three-dimensional modeling, and physics-based simulations to recreate the accident scene virtually. This allows them to determine factors such as vehicle speeds, braking distances, and collision dynamics. Consulting with expert witnesses. Accident reconstruction often requires the expertise of professionals such as accident reconstruction engineers, forensic experts, and medical specialists. These expert witnesses provide invaluable insights into the technical aspects of the accident, helping lawyers and the court understand the sequence of events and the factors that contributed to the accident. Role of a lawyer in motorcycle accident reconstruction. Lawyers specializing in motorcycle accidents play a crucial role in reconstructing accidents and utilizing the analysis in legal proceedings. Here's how they contribute. Investigating liability and negligence. A lawyer with expertise in motorcycle accident reconstruction investigates the accident thoroughly to determine liability and negligence. They analyze all available evidence, consult with experts, and identify responsible parties such as negligent drivers, vehicle manufacturers, or government entities responsible for maintaining safe road conditions. Building a strong legal case. Based on the analysis and evidence gathered during reconstruction, lawyers build a strong legal case for their clients. They establish the causation of the accident, demonstrate the defendant's negligence or misconduct, and calculate the damages suffered by the victim. Presenting expert analysis in court. In legal proceedings, lawyers rely on the expert analysis from accident reconstruction to present a persuasive case. They use the reconstructed accident scene, witness testimonies, and other supporting evidence to illustrate the events leading to the accident, the severity of injuries, and the impact on the victim's life.